Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and today we're going to work with this pattern again. This is pattern 28776. We did this with variegated floss before, and this was the pattern I generated for it. But this time we're gonna we'll do a yellow, nice strong contrast. We're gonna change out one of the strings here, and make it a little bit different. So when I was making it this with the variegated, I always went over top going towards the right like this. And I thought in some ways it makes it a little bit like a Celtic type bracelet. And that maybe if we'd use something with some strong contrast, we could really kind of show off how this could look like. It's sort of, always going over and under. So I thought it'd be kind of interesting, kind of fun. So that goes under there. So yeah, just trying out something different, just for the sake of what would that look like? How would that turn out? Now, the one thing I do know is that this pattern uses up these strings particularly more than anything else. So the last time when we did this, the tassels were really short. The end bits that you use for tying around your wrist, they were very, very short. I don't expect them to be long by any stretch of the imagination, but hopefully if we have some good floss, it won't be quite so bad. But it's still something to kind of, if you're going to make it and you'd like to try to make your strings as short as possible, just know that the red and the yellow here will get used a lot. Don't skimp too much. So there we have it. It kind of twists like a DNA or something, I think. So I think this will be a good look. It should be fun to make. Tune in on Monday to see how it went. All right. And before I go, let me give a shout out of thanks to all my YouTube members for making this possible. We used to have a Patreon back in the day, but we dropped it because I just couldn't give the kind of benefits that I can with a YouTube membership. So you get behind the scenes, early access to videos, little icons next to your name when you were in the live streams, just a lot of stuff in general that I couldn't do before. And it's for $4 a month. You get to help support the channel, so that would be awesome if you guys could do that. If not, just hanging out to the end like this is a good thing. And if you want to help a little bit more, hit that like button. And yeah, as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.